अविद्यानामन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगिरे जननां चैतन्यस्तबकं करन्दस्त्रुतिझरे. Translation. Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You're the stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool. Darilanam chintamani gudrika janma jalada nimagnalam dhamsha muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
She's just a mad girl laying on your chest. Let her go out with it. So we can enter our college through gate 10 or 11. So how was the campus? Do you like it? And this is all about the filming campus tour of Ramaya. If you like the video, then please share with your friends. Do like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time, that is not